All right, how is it going, beautiful people? So in this video, I'll show exactly my entire ad setup, how I was able to scale my agency past 50K per month. So stay tuned, take some notes. I'll show you exactly what we did, how we did it. And like I said, I'm a simple guy, so no bullshit, no talking around. I'll show you exactly step by step how to do it. So let's jump right into it. So first thing first, you just get to adsmanager.facebook.com/adsmanager, of course, to create your ad. Then of course, you're going to click on create, then on leads, and then continue. Here, I don't really like to use this, so I just click on manual lead campaign and then click on continue. Once you're here, you're going to name your campaign. I see a lot of people making like super complicated name convention. I would just keep it simple, okay? It's not like you have 1,000 ad campaigns in your account. I would maybe put something like cold traffic, 2 points, then real estate agents. All right, so this, we don't actually need to touch it because it's not for us. Here we leave everything as is and we click on next. Okay. All right. So for the ad set, I would also do it pretty simple, nothing complicated. Maybe the region that you're targeting. So it could be like USA and Canada. You could also put like a number in front if you have a lot of ad set, but like I said, keep it really simple. The more that you complicate it, the more your entire system gets so complicated and it's just like a huge mess. So I just keep it simple and it worked for me. Okay, so I'm literally showing you what I did for my agency, what helped me scale past 50K per month. So I'm showing you everything. That's how I did it. I did simple, no headaches, and that's it. Okay. So now for conversion, you actually have two choices. You can either run it through instant forms. Okay, so this here. Or you could have a website, okay? The easy way is this. This is how we did it. You can also have a website, but I don't suggest it, especially in the beginning. So just stick with the video, apply what I show you here, and you'll be able to generate a ton of leads and a ton of appointments for your agency. So instant forms, then select your Facebook page, then performance goal, we leave it as is. So maximize the number of leads. This, we don't actually touch it, so you don't do nothing here. Same thing for dynamic creative, we don't touch it. Then the daily budget, we ran ads. We started at $30 per day. So I would maybe suggest starting for like $20 to $30 per day. And then you can of course scale it up past 100, 200, 300 per day. If of course your ad account let you do this type of amounts. But I would do something like 30 per day. Start day, we leave it as is. We don't put an end date. We don't need to actually put an end date because we'll be running ads for a long time and we'll be making tweaks left and right if we see that things are not working out. Then important for the location, you actually change it here. So for example, if you're targeting Canada and the United States of America, let me just add it here. States, here you go. So you'll be targeting Canada and the USA. All right, so for the detailed targeting, pretty simple. You have two options. Option one is that you leave it as is. Okay, so Facebook will literally read your ad copy. It will also check out your ad and then push your ad for potential prospect and clients. Okay, so you don't have to do nothing. And option two is that you actually add some keywords for your potential prospects. So for example, if you're working with real estate agents, it could be, for example, Remax, EXP. It could be, you know, like big names in the industry. It could be like Tim Ferriss, I think that's his name, like the real estate guru guy. And then you can just add a bunch and then you can split test both, see which one works the best. But in my case, I saw that the open ad set was working really good for me. So it's really your choice if you want to split test it, but in my case, you know, I just left it open. All right, now for placement, like I said, like I really have a simple system and it works for me. Okay, I don't know for others, but for me it works super good. I leave everything simple. And when I ran ads for the real estate agents with my old offer, I actually left this as is. Okay, so I left Advantage plus placements. And this, what it actually does is that it puts your Facebook ad like on newsfeed, on stories. It put it just everywhere. Okay, you can still play with it, but I mean, I'm a simple guy. I just left it as is. We were super profitable with our ads because we had super good ads. So I didn't really mind of leaving this on for the ad set. And the next step, of course, is creating your ad. Okay, so let's start with the name. The name pretty simple. I just named my ad like this, ad number 1. okay? You select your Facebook page, your Instagram account. All right, for this here, really important, just check that off. You don't need this. This is bullshit from Facebook, okay? And now the important stuff. So of course, it's your ad creative, okay? So what we did is, if you saw my video before, I explained exactly how we created our ads. So pretty simple, 4 hooks with 1 body. So it could be hook number 1 could be something like a story. Hook number 2 could be something like a testimonial. Hook number 3 could be something as a question. And hook number 4 could be something as, let's say, controversial, okay? So you just test different hooks. And then for your body, you have the same body for every single ad. So ad 1 to 4, the only thing that you're testing is your hooks, okay? To see which hooks perform the best and which one gets you the best results. And really important, so what I did right from the beginning, I didn't do picture ads for my agency. I did video ads right away, okay? If you're not comfortable doing video ads, I mean, you have to get on camera, okay? Our results were incredible. Just have like a super good script. And what you have to do to get your first 10K per month, it's pretty easy. Just see what your competitors are doing, even if it's in another niche, okay? So it could be like chiropractors, it could be like a roofing business. Just see how they're running their ads and literally copy it for your own business, okay? You don't have to reinvent the wheel. You just need to find a winning ad in maybe another industry and then mimic it. I'm not saying copy it word for word, but mimic to your own style, mimic to your own niche. And this is literally what we did, okay? And it works super, super well. Then of course you can get more creative, but especially when you're starting out, keep it simple. The more friction that you're putting towards like running ads, the more lazy you'll be, because you'll say to yourself, oh my God, I have to create new ads. I have to do this, I have to do that. But if you keep it simple, then you have no excuse to literally launch ads within 24 hours, okay? It's not that complicated. All right, so for the primary text, pretty simple. So you can add up to 5 primary texts for your ads. So Facebook can literally show different type of texts to your audience, okay? And what we did here is also pretty simple, okay? So go on adslibrary.com, check what your competitors are doing, take their copy, okay? For example, if you're an agency in the real estate niche, find someone maybe in the chiropractor niche, okay? Find someone maybe in the roofing niche, okay? That are running ads for a long, long time and that you know that the ads are successful, okay? Take their copy, feed it in ChatGPT, and then literally tell ChatGPT your offer, okay? Your market desire, your market pain points, and it will literally take your copy. It will take the copy from your competitors and then switch it up to make it on your own, okay? So it'll create like your own entire copy. And like I said, I just kept it simple. So like I said, this is like a quick intro video. I'll maybe make a video like going super in detail how I find those winning competitors, winning ads, and I can show you how I make it in ChatGPT. But for now, I just want to show you like the big overview of how I did it, how I kept it super simple, not complicated, not having pixels and funnels and this and that. I just kept it on Facebook and that's it. So for the headline, same thing, go on the ads library, check what your competitors are doing, and then mimic, of course. I'm not a huge fan of copying word for word because 1 is not super ethical, and 2, I mean, you have to have like your own little spice to your own ads, okay? You can't just copy everyone and expect the best results. You need to be also a little bit creative. So the ads library is really great just to inspire yourself and see what others are doing and seeing what works and what doesn't, and then apply it for your own niche, okay? So same thing here. I just added like the 5 headline just so Facebook can optimize the most my ads. And for the description, same thing also. So go on the ads library, check for some competitors, see what they're doing, and then you can mimic your own style here. And same thing, add 5 different description, and that's it, okay? So call to action, we always use learn more. I mean, everyone is kind of using the learn more button. I think that's the one that converts the most, so use that one, okay? Okay, and now we'll create your instant form, okay? So you're just going to click on here, create form. All right, so when you're on the form, first thing first, you're just going to create the name. Same thing, I would also keep it simple. You can maybe put like something like a naming convention 1.0. So like this, it's easy for you to find which form you did and when you did them. And next thing that you can put here is a date, okay? So like this, it's easy for you to track every single form that you have created in your lifetime. Little thing that we do here in settings, we just leave it on open. So anyone can share your form. I mean, it could help a little bit, but we just do it. So we did it on open, and that's pretty much it for this here. Then we leave everything here as is. We're going to click on intro. All right, so for the headline, my biggest tip that I have for you is literally like funnel hack your competitors. See what they're doing and then mimic and change it for your own industry. Okay, so I could give you like a quick example. For the headline, could be something like get 10 plus listings in 90 days, get 10 plus listing appointments in 90 days, or we work for free. Okay, something like this. Then for the description, it could be something like fill up the information below to see if you qualify for our services, or fill the information below to see if your region is available. Okay, like I said, funnel hack your competitors, see what they're doing, okay, and then mimic it for your own industry. Like I really keep it simple. I don't know why people are making it so complicated. I mean, for me, it worked super well. The only thing that worked super well for me, I think, is because we had really good ads. Okay, I had like a good quality of my camera. We had some super good edits, so it helped really well, because when we hopped on sales calls, people were like, oh my God, I saw your ad. It was different from the others, you know, so like I said, have good ads, have good creatives, and then the rest, like, I mean, is not that important, but I would still funnel hack your competitors to see what they're doing and then mimic it for your own industry. All right, so the next step, it would be the question. So the little issue that we're facing with Facebook lead form wasn't actually that we had like a lot of fake phone numbers or fake name or fake emails. It was that we were getting a lot of people that were not real estate agents. Okay, so how we just solve this issue, it's pretty simple. We just ask a question. Are you a real estate agent? Yes or no? So if they actually click yes, they were able to continue through the form. And if they click no, the form would automatically stop, saying, hey, this might not be the good fit. Thank you for taking the time to answer our survey. Okay, and that's it. And this is how we're able to automatically like eliminate, I would say, like 80% of the people that were initially, let's say, for example, like, I don't know, like mortgage brokers, or I don't know, like someone that wanted more information on like marketing, filter them out. And yeah, we just kept it simple, like I said. For the description, I mean, you can just click on here. You'll see some examples that Facebook offer. I just copied it quickly, but it could be something like, we'll use your information to contact you about our offer, and you can always switch it up. I know this might not sound super appealing, but this is just to show you like where to find information. You can just click on here and then create like your own little description, but keep it simple. Like I said, the important is your ad creative, okay? The rest is a little bit fugazi, as I could say. So once this is done, privacy policy. So if you have a website, just add your link here. So, okay, so you have your privacy policy, just add your link here. And here you can just copy this, okay, put it here. And then you have your privacy policy linked on the form. And the last thing is this one here. So pretty important. We're booking a lot of appointments because we had a good call to action at the end. So I'll just show you what we did. All right. So for the last call to action, we actually did this. So it should be something like, wait, you're not done yet. Hit the button below to see how this offer works. I think there's a mistake here. Works. And how our guarantee works. And that's pretty much it. And for the call to action text, just tap here, okay? And the link, you could either have it like on your Calendly, on your Go High Level, or if you have like a funnel page with a booking page with testimonials, you could also add this. But in our case, it was pretty simple. It was just a Calendly page. And then, of course, when they opted in our ad, we're spamming them with text messages to book an appointment. So like I said, pretty simple, nothing complicated. Don't need to create a funnel, pixels, this and that. So that's pretty much it for the form. Like I said, I speed run through everything, but I think I'll make another video showing exactly like the text that we use and just give you everything for free, because why not? And that's pretty much it. So you can just click here on create form and you should have your form here created, okay? Last little thing that we did just for tracking, if you click on here, okay, you'll be able to build a URL. You'll be able to see basically which lead came from which ad, okay? So campaign source, it would be, this is how we did it. So it would be source site name. Then this will be the campaign name. Here it would be the ad set name. No, sorry, this is the ad name. Whoops. Ad set name. Okay, here you go. and then the ad name, okay? Then you click on apply. And if, for example, you link your Facebook account with Go High Level, on every single lead, you'll actually be able to see from which ad the lead came from, okay? So you can just set up this quickly, and then every time a new lead opt in your form and then get automatically transferred in your Go High Level account, you'll be able to see from which ad they came. So it's pretty useful if you want to make a little bit more tracking and see which ad works the best, and then you can strategize and make maybe like push this ad further so you get just more clients, okay? So that's pretty much it for the ad. Like I said, it was just like a quick little video on how I did it, how I kept it super simple. Then of course you're just going to duplicate it 4 times with your 4 different videos and then launch your ads, okay? The only thing that you can make, like I said before, is have one ad set that is open and one ad set that is targeted. So it could be, for example, the open, you wouldn't touch nothing here on the demographic, okay? So you leave it as is. And on the targeted one, you could just click on here and you can add interest, for example, as Remax if you're in the real estate space, real estate agents. Okay, you have broker, salesperson, you can just add a ton of them, and this is how we did it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you like this video, if you found some value, drop a comment below. If you're interested in having more access, more documents, just more access to everything that I do, you can join our school community in the description. I give you their templates, free videos, free trainings. I'll also maybe integrate like weekly calls just to answer you guys' question. But that's pretty much it. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.